What's up, Moto fans? Michael here at Moto Machines, and today we're going to be continuing our Trident build series with an overview of the Hepco Becker C-Bow system and street soft bag. If you're looking to add luggage to your Trident, or any motorcycle for that matter, look no further than the Hepco Becker C-Bow system. It's a fantastic option that's easy to use, easy to install, and comes with all the necessary hardware for installation as well. It's made of high quality German steel tubing that's powder coated black, so it's nice and strong and fits every Hepco Becker C-Bow saddlebag made. It doesn't fit with the hard cases though, so like the Exceed and the Alu Standard behind me, it's not going to work with those. It's an entirely different mounting system. As far as mounting the street soft bag, which is the one we're going with today, onto the C-Bow system, it's really straightforward. You have these C-shaped bows, and there's a lock on the bag that comes with a key that interfaces with this little cutout here. And we'll get you some B-roll towards the end of the video of it as well. But essentially, you place the bag onto the frame, turn the key, pull the key out, and you're good to go. The bag is locked to the frame. It's theft-proof. People can't just rip your bag off or cut it off because it's physically locked to this frame. This bag itself, though, doesn't have any locks besides the one to the frame, but we do sell TSA-approved luggage locks that would go through the zippers, and you can lock them that way to make it more theft-proof than it originally was. Now, for the street soft bag, this is an excellent option. It looks great on pretty much all motorcycles because it's kind of like a universal design. It's not more sporty, it's not more cruisery, it's got that, it's right in that in-between. It's a nice blend. It's a waterproof bag, and with two of them, it totals 22 liters of storage. It's got a waterproof zip, and it's got a shoulder strap, as well as a waterproof pouch for any really important things that you want to keep dry. It's honestly just a fantastic all-around bag, and you really can't go wrong. It looks great, it feels great, and it's high quality, which is to be expected from Hepco Becker. With all that being said though, let's head on outside and show you what it looks like on the bike and get it installed.
teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no. 'Cause I love you, baby.
Well, that's all we've got for you guys today. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for all the latest Moto Machines madness. If you're interested in more content like this, click the card in the top right-hand side of the screen. Ride safe.
So true. When I was down and out, along came